express 0.125 in the form of p by q. That is how to write 0.125 as a fraction. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just write the number skipping decimals. We are getting 125. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, write 10 as a multiplication. 10 times 10 times 10. For every digit, we are considering 10. Now, reduce this fraction. So, how to do that? Just target two number from numerator and denominator and divide by the common factor or divisor. 125 is divisible by 5. This 10 is divisible by 5. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. If you divide 125 by 5, you will get what? 5 goes into 12 1 times 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times. 2 times 5, 10. Subtract 2. Bring down next digit. 5 goes into 25, 25. 25 times 5, 25, 0. So 25. If you divide this 125 by 5, you will get 25. Again, this 10 is divisible by 5, so you will get 2. If you divide this 25 is divisible by 5, you will get 5. Again, this 10 is divisible by 5, you will get 2. This 5 is divisible by 5, you will get 1. So basically, we are getting 1 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 2 times 2 times 2, so 1 over 8, and there is no common factor between 1 and 8 without 1, so this is the simplified fraction or lowest term.